morning, fellow citizens of Nigeria. My name remains just Abiodun. But that Dapo ti jẹ gbèsè. But that Dapo, our dancing governor, ó ti jẹ gbèsè. Now, I'm doing this video for the sake of transparency and commitment and public trust. I just got off the phone with a commissioner in Ogun State, and I've reported the case to her. And I have received a promise that they are going to do something. However, I am not expecting the government to do something. However, I am expecting the government to take full responsibility of these children. The lives and properties of everybody in Ogun State, Lagos State, Abia State, anywhere, is the sole responsibility of the governor. When children are in enclosed places, you owe them the responsibility to protect them, to put security officers there. Now, I don't want it to seem like only one person is going to be attended to. So if you know that you were involved in the robbery incident, the attack, and you are currently receiving treatment, please send us an email with your hospital bills. Send us an email with your current location. Your safety is guaranteed. Somebody is going to call you and they are going to visit you, and the government is going to take full responsibility of your hospital bills and welfare. No be we send governor, make you no put security for university or schools or anywhere. So if they don't respond to the safety and security of children and students, they should take responsibility of the aftermath of their actions. So please, I am doing this video just to make it understand that public trust is very, very important. When you people come to complain to us, we go to back on the government. We agitate for them to do the needful. And they have given me a promise this morning that they will do it. But I don't want one student to hear so-so's hospital bill has been taken care of and I have not been taken care of. That is why I am saying I'm calling. This is a call to action. If you were badly injured, you were attacked in the accident that happened in the ICT college, please reach out immediately within the next 12 to 24 hours so that your hospital bill will be well taken care of. They don't promise us say they go do better. Make we see whether they go change. If after 24 hours they didn't do good, I mean they have not paid, you people know. And with no settlement for anywhere. We are backing dogs. So we continue to back until we are heads or we are attended to. Simple. Ọba tí ń gbẹ́kún aládùúrà mo ti dé. Èmi dé tó wọn tàwọn ará Ògùn State ti dé o. Ọlọ́run tí ń gbẹ́kún aládùúrà ti dé o. Gbèjà wájà o. Jọ̀ọ́ má má jẹ́ ká gbàgbà tí àdúrà. Ọlọ́run àrìnà kórè. Ṣàánú wa l'Ògùn State o. Àgbákò tó gbé fún wa, wá bá wa ká kúrò. A ti ṣe l'Ògùn State o. We have offended God. We have offended God. I have started a 7 days prayer and fast. And I know that God listens to prayers. If a man cannot listen to our plea and our cry and our agitation, God, Ọlọ́run onídàájọ́, bàbá mi, Ọlọ́run ìgbènijà, ẹni tó ní àdá lọ́wọ́ fúnra ẹ̀, alágbára tí ń jẹ́ olùfijì, ẹni tí ìjì kankan ò lè gbámú tó sì lè ka ojú ogun kúrò lẹ̀. Bó ṣe fẹ́ ṣe òye wa o, ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ìgbènijà ìwọ la ké pè. Òjò tá rọ̀ tára fi tu gbogbo wa, àbí ìjì tá jà tára fi tu wa l'Ògùn State, Olúwa jọ̀ọ́, òun ni wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. If not that we have offended God or our forefathers, omi tó pilẹ̀ wa l'Ògùn, iyẹ̀pẹ̀ tán fi mọ́ wa ní Ògùn, àti agbára tó dè wá bí ọmọ Ògùn, kò yẹ kí eléyìí kò it's not supposed to reach like this. We have offended. And this is the sacrifice. We are paying for our sins. If not, how can we have a governor that does not listen? How can we have a tyrant as a governor? How can we have somebody that is so uncompassionate as a governor? How can we be fatherless in Ogun State? Talashe. Talashe. When you complain, they will not listen. When you shout, they will say you are insulting. When you get on the street, they will carry DSS, carry you. We are living a life of no talk in Ogun State. Yorùbá ní tá bá fogún ọdún pìlẹ̀ wèrè, ọjọ́ wo la fẹ́ fi sínwín? For 7 good years. Tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, èèyàn kan bẹ tó lè ṣàforíjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa. That is the person that we will call on. Since Monday, they reported the case of a dead human being on the street. If to say na Dapo, then go say at the try search. Last week, somebody reported that they attacked a school in Ogun State. Some students have been killed and some students are in the hospital. As we speak, Ogun State government has not said anything. Rather, Ogun State government is spending state funds using DSS to look for just Dapo. Dapo is the only. No, we are two. One, they are looking for justice for that one. There is a 90-year-old woman that is the governor's mother. They have gone to court to say that they are seeking justice for that one. And another person is Dapo. They are using Dapo to bring the daughter of the soil back home. So they are granting press interview. Ọlọ́run àrìnà kórè, màmá já gbàgbà tí àdúrà. Ẹ̀rà Dàpọ̀ tí ń lọ o, màmá já gbàgbà tí àdúrà. Ọlọ́run gbọ́ wa, màmá já gbàgbà tí àdúrà. Ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù o, màmá já gbàgbà tí àdúrà. A state where citizens don't understand what is going on. A state that the governor campaigned and read a manifesto of accountability and transparency. We never see town hall meeting. Afiko Malopatisha. What to commission? No, what to do? You are paying your debt and you are dancing and some people are clapping. Oluwatalashe. Yesterday, they said they are giving people doctorate degree. One for Auntie Remi. Auntie Remi, First Lady of Nigeria, please, before they carry that honor reach your office, send independent people to go and investigate Ogun State. Ẹ má gba ègún mọ́ tara yín o, wọ́n ní kó bá yín o, wọ́n ní ṣọ́ọ̀kì ẹnu yín o. Ẹni tá a ṣẹ̀ tó fi Dàpọ̀ ṣépè fún wa l'Ogun State, a fẹ́ bẹ̀ ẹ́ o. A ti ń bẹ Ọlọ́run, a fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín náà, ẹ lè má sí láyé, ẹ lè wà láyé. Ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ lógún, tó ṣẹ̀ ní àgbákò ìgbòho wa lọ́rùn.
You have killed your citizens. You have killed. You have killed your citizens. Dapo Abiodun see bad road. Oh my goodness, this is a bad sign.
Agbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù pa àṣìṣe wa rẹ́ kó bá wọnú Dàpọ̀. Òkúta tó lè tandi nínú ọkàn Dàpọ̀, Olúwa mo bẹ̀ ọ́, Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yọ́nú bá wa yọ. Ẹkún ti pọ̀ jù. The cry of the masses is too much. The anguish and the pain in Ogun State is too much. Ọlọ́run ìgbéníjà, dìde tógun tógun. Dìde tìjàtìjà. Dìde nínú agbára. Dìde Ọlọ́run wa kó wá ṣèrànlọ́wọ́ fún wa. The young boy that was beating 160 strokes of the cane tó kú. Till today, that boy has not received justice. The blood of every young girl that has been sexually molested in Ogun State. Olúwa wá fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí ṣe ìdájọ́. Ọlọ́run wá bá wa fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí ṣe ìdájọ́. Alágbára ní Ṣílò wá bá wa fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí ṣe ìdájọ́. Alágbára kùtùkùtù òwúrọ̀ wá bá wa fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí ṣe ìdájọ́. Ọlọ́run ìgbéníjà wá bá wa fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí ṣe ìdájọ́. Ọlọ́run tó ní adùn tó sì ní ìkorò wá bá wa fi àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí ṣe ìdájọ́. Alágbára láàjì wọ̀dà. Báwọn ẹni bí ti ń péjọ lóru tó ń ro ibi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá mi náà dúró lóru lọ́gànjọ́ òru tó ń ṣe ìdájọ́. Tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run ti ń gbẹ́ fún aládùúrà ìwọ la ké pè. Ẹni tó bá ní kò sí èèyàn tó tóun pè lẹ́jọ́, Ọlọ́run ìwọ ló lè pe gbogbo ẹ̀dá lẹ́jọ́. Àdàbí jáàjú ogun lọ, ó pe májẹ̀mú àdàbí dìde. Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ ọ́, wọjọ́ ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ kó sì wo ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó jáde lára mi, kó sì wo ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó ta sílẹ̀ lórí igi àgbélébùú. Kò sí agbára ẹ̀dá kankan tó lè ju títì ọ lọ. Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ ọ́ bí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrìn àjò yìí. For the next 7 days, I will call on the blood of these young children. And I will call on the blood of the children that have lost their life due to the ignorance of Ogun State government. Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ ọ́ ìjì tá a jà. Tá a jẹ́ kó mọ̀ kájàre mọ̀ pé ológun ni ọ́. Arógun máa sá, arógun máa tẹ́, arógun gbógun mi bàbá mi, Ọlọ́run ìgbènijà. Ọlọ́run ìpè àwọn bàbá mi tí mo sinmi lé. Ọlọ́run ìpè Adéjàre, Ọlọ́run ìpè àwọn bàbá àgbà. Ọlọ́run ìpè bàbá mi Ọlọ́wẹ̀rẹ́, Ọlọ́run ìpè Babalọ́lá. Ọlọ́run ìpè gbogbo orí òkè tí mo fi ẹsẹ̀ mi tẹ̀. Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ ọ́. Ẹni tí ń dá wa lóró l'Ógùn State bó ti wù kó pẹ́ láyé, Olúwa mo bẹ̀ ọ́. Ẹkún ni kò gbà tòun tó ní kó fi wọnú sàárè. Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ ọ́. Wọ́n rò pé dáadáa ń ṣe ni. We are not joking. We are serious about our country, and we are very serious about making Ogun State great. We are very serious about not failing the coming generation, and we are extremely serious of making our country a better country. We are not content creators. We are controlled by the spirit of humanity and compassion and the love, and the spirit that we have agreed to forgive our forefathers for failing us. And we have sworn an oath of allegiance not to fail the coming generation. Ọlọ́run tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ la ní máa jẹ́ mú ìpẹ̀lú ó sì gbé wá dìde. Ọlọ́run àrà bí àrà fúnra ẹ̀. Òkè tó ju gbogbo òkè lọ. Ẹni tó dúró tó lóhùn òkè, Olúwa bá wa bì wọ́n wó. Ẹni tó lóhùn ò ní gbà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa, Olúwa mo bẹ̀ ọ́. Ẹni tó lóhùn ò ní gbọ́ sí ọ̀rọ̀ wa, Ọlọ́run ìgbèdìde mo pè ọ́. Láti bójì òkú, nínú sàárè, nínú omi, lórí afẹ́fẹ́, Olúwa mo bẹ̀ ọ́ gbé ogun dìde tì wọ́n. Ẹni tó lóhùn alágbára, Olúwa fàjùlọ agbára hàn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti ní wọn ò ní gbọ́ ni, Olúwa mo bẹ̀ ọ́ fi àjùlọ agbára hàn wọ́n. So shall it be. Iyọ̀ òkun ẹnu mi o, èdìdí ni iyọ̀. Omi ò sì là mí kọjá. Àti níṣẹ́ agbára ìdìde òkun. Àti májẹ̀múnú òkun ni mo gbé dìde lọ́wọ́ yìí. Olúwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun. Ogun tí ipá ẹnikẹ́ni ò lè ká. Tí agbára ẹnikẹ́ni ò sì lè dá dúró.
Mo jẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ́ fún orílẹ̀-èdè mi ilẹ̀ Odùduwà tó ń ṣàn fún wàrà àti fún oyin, ilẹ̀ tó kún fún àwọn akọni ọgbọ́n ètò àti òye. Mo ṣe ìlérí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ológo ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀, ìtànṣán oòrùn láti la ayé já nílẹ̀ Áfíríkà, láti gbé ilẹ̀ Odùduwà lárugẹ. Mo fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé n kò ní dalẹ̀ tàbí ṣọ̀tẹ̀ sí ìṣọ̀kan àti ìtẹ̀síwájú orílẹ̀-èdè mi ilẹ̀ Odùduwà. Èmi yóò fi gbogbo ipá, ọkàn, iṣẹ́, ọgbọ́n àti ìṣe mi sin orílẹ̀-èdè mi ní òtítọ́ àti lódodo títí ọjọ́ ayé mi. Gbogbo ìyànjú àwọn akọni tó ti lọ kò ní já sófo láti ọwọ́ mi títí dé ìrandíran tí ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn. Mo ṣe ìlérí pé ẹ̀sìn tàbí ìṣèlú kò ní yà wá nílẹ̀ Odùduwà. tó bá wáyé bẹ́ẹ̀ mo lè lo ọkọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó kù sára mi láti fi ṣègbè àti jàjàgbara fún orílẹ̀-èdè mi. Ilẹ̀ Odùduwà, èdè kan, àṣà kan àti ìṣe kan ló so wá pọ̀ láéláé lágbára Elédùà.
Wetin you dey wait for? If you never subscribe to Arole Baba 1010 Media and TV, you dey miss street gist.